welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings. Going to be doing them 4 different ways. So we got 2 flats and 2 drumettes each. Obviously 4 different rubs. First being the sticky sesame by Rub Grub. Great local company. I've used that plenty of times on chicken and it's fantastic. And the second rub, another local one from my friends at Smoky Pastures. It's called Sweet Dreams. It's a nice sweet and spicy rub. I've used that on pork and chicken before, another great one. And then one I've been working on, I've used that before and it's nice on chicken. So if it turns out well again today, then I'll post the recipe and the ratios in the comments at the end of the video. And then probably my favourite rub at the moment for chicken is the Kosmo Sweet Honey Pecan. So we'll be using the Akorn Kamado today, going to be using the Vortex method. So I'll show you a bit about that as we go along. But for now, I'll get these seasoned up and then we'll get some coals going and get it all set up. Right, so our charcoal's on. Got about half a chimney worth. As you can see, it doesn't have a handle. I've just removed it. It's the exact same chimney starter as what's up there. Obviously the plastic on the handle would melt if we put it in the smoker. So the charcoal's pretty much ready. So I'll turn the burner off and then we can place it in the cooker, and we just want to wait until the top's nice and red hot and then our wings will be good to go on. So we don't need the heat deflector for this cook, so I've put it up there as well as the bottom charcoal grate. So we're going to get the chimney starter to sit on that bracket and then it'll sit nice and flush with the grill. We've got some almond wood from Natural Smoke that we'll use today. Haven't used that with chicken before, but I've heard it's very good with poultry. So what we'll do is we'll grab our tongs. So what I like to do, we'll just grab our chimney starter like so, and then we will take it over to the acorn and dump it in there. And we don't need our second rack either, so we can just pop that down the bottom. Then we can put our grill on top. It's going to sit nice and flush. So that heat is going to come up and around and it's just going to create this massive vortex of hot air basically, or hot smoke, and it's going to cook our wings really hot and fast. So we'll close our lid and we'll open up our vents and we'll probably get up to about 4 to 450 Fahrenheit, and then I will chuck the wings in and they should take about half an hour. Alright, so the smoke is up to temperature. Time to put the wings on. So we'll put our piece of almond wood on there and then we're just going to lay the wings around the outside of that. And like I said, it's just going to come up and over the wings and keep circulating. So I'll put the Sweet Honey Pecan ones up the top. And then I'll put the Sweet Dream ones next. And then I'll put the sticky sesame. And finish off with my rub. Then we'll close the lid and check them in about half an hour. Simple as that. Alright, so she's been sitting nicely at about 400. It's been about 20-25 minutes. They are looking good. Our smoking wood's been smoking away nicely. It's time to check the internal with our ink bird. So just 150. 170, so we're aiming for about 165 to 170, 165, 180. So we'll give it probably 4 or 5 more minutes just to get these bigger ones up to a safe eating temp, and then we will get them out and give them a taste test. Right, so the wings are done. It was about half an hour in total. They're going to come out nice, juicy and crispy. So we'll have a taste test. Hopefully we can get past these flies because they've smelt what's been going on and decided to come have a look, and there's bloody heaps of them. So I'm not here to tell you which one's the best. I'm here to show you about the Vortex method. I know for a fact all these rubs are good, so you have to try them for yourself. So first up, try the sticky sesame. So good. We'll try flat as well. Just got super crispy skin. Still nice and juicy. Bloody incredible. I'll give you a close up of how it looks. Oh, it looks awesome. The next up, we'll stay in the same order, I guess. Try the Sweet Dream. Really nice looking rub. That's really good as expected. Right into a drum. It's a good balance of flavour. And the rub I've been working on. That's good too. Still needs a bit of work, but I don't think I'm too far off being happy with that combination. And the sweet honey pecan. So nice. Try a drum. So I won't make you sit here and watch me eat the whole bloody thing. So that's the end of the video. You have to try these for yourself at home. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that bell notification and give us a thumbs up. And I'll link another video to the end of this one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.